Question number 146. If the total number of guanine in a eukaryotic cell's DNA is 20%, then total pyrimidine content would be, and the options given are 20%, 30%, 50%, 60%. Now we know that according to Chargaff's rule, guanine, which is given as 20%, is equivalent to cytosine. So cytosine will also become 20%. And as G plus C plus A plus T equals to 100% and A is equal to T, therefore A plus T would be equivalent to 60%. So A equals to T equals to 30%. And so pyrimidine, which is equivalent to C plus T, would be equivalent to 20% plus 30% equals to 50%. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 147. The total number of premolars in an adult human with dental formula 2123, 2123 is, and the options given are 4, 8, 12 and 10. An adult human has 32 permanent teeth, which are of 4 different types, namely incisors I, canine C, premolar PM and molars M. And the arrangement of teeth in each quadrant jaw in order I, C, PM and M is represented by dental formula 2123 by 2123, in which the teeth in each quadrant are 2, 1, 2 and 3. That totals up to 8, 4, 8 and 12. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2, 8. The total number of premolars would be 8. Option number 1, 4 is incorrect because canines are total 4 in number. Option number 3, 12 is incorrect because molars are total 12 in number in an adult human. Option number 4, 10 is incorrect. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 148. The enzyme not secreted by cells present in crypts of liver is, and the options given are enterokinase, nuclease, nucleotidase and nucleosidase. The secretions of brush border cell or crypts of Lieberkühn of mucosa along with the secretions of goblet cells constitute the intestinal juice or succus entericus. And as option number 1, enterokinase, option number 3, nucleotidase and option number 4, nucleosidase are present in intestinal juice, so they cannot be the correct answer. Whereas nuclease is the correct answer because it is not secreted by the cells of crypts of Lieberkühn. It is present in pancreatic juice. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 149. A disorder of digestive system which could be attributed to anxiety and intake of spicy food is, and the options given are vomiting, diarrhea, constipation, indigestion. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, indigestion. Food is not properly digested in indigestion, leading to a feeling of fullness. The causes of indigestion are inadequate enzyme secretion, anxiety, food poisoning, overeating, and spicy food. The very first option, vomiting, is incorrect because vomiting is the ejection of stomach content through the mouth. The next option, constipation, is incorrect because feces are retained within the colon as the bowel movements occur irregularly, and this is known as constipation. The next option, diarrhea, is incorrect because diarrhea is an abnormal frequency of bowel movement and increased liquidity of the fecal discharge. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 150. Miscal formation is not associated with the intestinal absorption of, and the options given are long chain fatty acids, monoglycerides, vitamin D, and starch. And the correct answer to this question is option number 4, starch. Starch undergoes hydrolysis by amylase to yield disaccharides, which are acted upon by disaccharidases into simple absorbable forms near mucosal epithelial cells of the intestine. The next options like long chain fatty acids, monoglycerides, and vitamin D are incorrect because these are first incorporated into small water soluble droplets called micelles. And then these substances from the micelles are absorbed by simple diffusion into the intestinal cells. There they are reformed into very small protein-coated fat globules called chylomicrons, which are transported into the lymph vessels or lacteals in the villi. And these lymph vessels ultimately released the absorbed substances into the bloodstreams. So, the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's move on to the next question.